Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G. In today's video. I'd done a bit of shopping with Hobbycraft a few weeks ago because my glue gun that I was using broke and the ones I used from Hobbycraft were out of stock, but it was finally back in stock, so I bought two. So I've finally got my decent glue gun back, and I bought some of their miniature things they had out for Christmas. Now you've got this pack of 12 miniature trees, you've got this little mini red truck, and they also did these mini camper vans. Now unfortunately they're not to scale so they can suit each other, but you could use that in an ornament or in some sort of village. I've also bought one of these little glass baubles, and I'm going to create some sort of scene in this bauble. They do a lot of different things. A lot of their stuff was sold out already, because obviously the nearer we get to Christmas, the quicker their stuff goes. So I'm just going to take this twine hanger off. I'm probably going to use a bit of E6000 to secure these to the base of here, and I've got some snow tech, so I'm going to use some of that. But I wanted to find the smallest tree in here, which I think could probably be that one, because I wanted to attach that to the back. So I'm just going to snip this off. Okay, and I'm going to use some wet glue because I don't have my glue gun sorted out yet, so I'm not going to stress about doing that right now. So I'm going to use my Kalal, and this is their all-purpose, and this is this different bottle. This one is like that. This is the tacky glue, then this is the all-purpose glue. So I'm going to use my Kalal and put some glue, if it will come out. Gosh, there we go. In the back there. I'm just going to put him to one side, and then I'm going to put some of these trees. No, I'm not going to use that. Actually, yeah, I'm going to use the Kalal because it's quite good actually. I'm not going to use the E6000. And I'm going to put a few of these trees in what will be the background. And I'm going to use my pliers, not my pliers, my tweezers. Because this can be quite fiddly because obviously it's a small area. Just putting some glue on the base. We don't have the time to wait for things to set. If we done quickly, then I suggest you use hot glue. But I'm going to, once I get these in, I'm going to be using what do you call it, the snow techs anyway, so they will be quite secure. Okay, actually I'm going to move you over. Come here, you. I'm going to move you over, pick you up. Come here, you. Stand up, thank you. Okay, now let's put some of this snow techs in. You know what, crafters? I'm going to have to take these out because I need to get some snow techs at the back. And I didn't think of that. And this snow text itself will actually help keep those trees in place. If any of you have seen Nancy Hudgens' work via her pictures that she shares on Facebook, she does much better ones of these than I will ever be able to do. with plastic baubles. She sent me one for my subscriber tree and I absolutely love it. Okay, now let's put these trees back in. Clean up any mess, because obviously I'm still trying to keep this as neat and tidy as possible. Over a year later, and I don't think it looks that bad. Okay, now we're going to put our little truck in there. But before that, let me just put a little hint of snow on this little truck here. So it's been caught in the snow blizzard. Okay, and again, using my pliers, not pliers, tweezers, and let's put him in. And there we have it, grafters. I really like that. Let's take that off there. Very cute. Okay, let's put some new twine on there for him. So just to go over the prices, crafters, the glass bauble was £2, the little trucks and the camper vans were £1 each, and the bag of 12 mini trees were £2 for the set of the pack of 12. So not expensive at all, really. So if you think about it, there's probably about £3.25 worth of investment in this ornament, so well worth it. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.